to pray. Oh, pray when you go to bed for your daily bread. Don't forget to pray. You can awake to a beautiful morning. When you've got troubles, remember this warning and pray until Judgment Day. Got the devil to pay. If you never open up the good book, find Psalms 23. Brothers and sisters, won't you listen to me? You gotta get ready. Oh, when you got misery, get on your bended knee. Turn to the Lord and He'll set you free. Free from all evil. Chase the devil. If you got worn out shoes. If you got lots of food. Turn to the Lord and you'll get your gift. That will cure your doom. You can't awake to a beautiful morning. When you've got your have your bed this morning. Oh, until judgment. Say the words after me. Turn to the Lord and He'll set you free. If you'll only pray. You got to pray, my brother, when the Spirit hits. You got to sing and shout, or the devil will get you. You got to clap glad hands and shout, hey, hey, if you want to get in through the pearly gates. You got to pray and pray and pray and pray, for Gable's gonna blow his trumpet one day. Pray when you're in the dumps. You can take your bumps if you'll only pray. Pray morning, noon, and night. You'll be seeing the light.